how to make buttermilk. First, you need 500 milliliters of water. After that, you need some curd, and I'm going to add 6 spoons of curd in the bowl. Now, when I'm done putting the curd, you can take it aside. After that, you take a stirring stick and put it in, and you have to spoon it. After you're done stirring, you can keep the stirring stick away, and it should look something like this. And take a half scoop of salt, teaspoon of salt, and put it in the curd. After done, you have to mix it again, only little bit. After you're done, you can keep it away again and take the curd and put it in a glass. Now it's time to drink it. I loved it. If you loved it, subscribe and tell in the comments and like.